I'm a psychiatrist with lifelong interest in public health. COVID-19 pandemic has caused striking rise in mental health issues. Mental health is a public health issue. Why? Because it not only impacts individual, but it also affects entire family and hence the community. 2020 has been the longest dark tunnel that we all experienced. We now have the power to impact this virus with safe and effective vaccine. These are the gifts from the scientific community, and they protect not only you, me, our family, school, elderly, but everyone around us. In this video, our neighbors and community leaders are talking from their heart about the significance of the vaccines. I hope that you will too, using your own words, speak from your own heart to tell others how important it is to take vaccines. I hope you enjoy their messages.
I am a really affectionate, physical person, and I'm so excited that we're all going to get vaccinated. It's really important to me because that's what's going to allow us to have greater connection and contact again. And it's also our civic duty. Please go get vaccinated.
Last year, we lost my dad to COVID. It was such a painful experience for our family. And I want to get vaccinated so that others don't have to go through that. I want to be able to spend time with my mom, to hug her. You know, as humans, we're hardwired for connection. And the sooner that we can all get vaccinated, the faster we can get back to our sense of normal life. We need it. So do your part and get vaccinated as soon as you are able to.
Where would we be without small merchants and small businesses that make our towns what they are? They've been hit so hard by COVID, and they were working hard anyway, and they always do. But what we can do is we can get our vaccines so that we can restore the vibrance, the ability to come and be together, and to make sure that these merchants up and down the street in my community and yours can thrive.
I got the COVID vaccine for my coworkers, family, and friends. I urge you to get the vaccine for the same reason. Things are improving here in Sonoma County, and we're on our way to a bright and healthy future. When it's your turn, don't wait, vaccinate. Stay healthy, Sonoma County.
Como madre de dos hijas de 6 y 11 años, yo sé lo estresante que es que estén aprendiendo de casa. Y también como trabajadora de tiempo completo aquí en Siyan, proveyendo clases de paternidad y de habilidades a nuestros pacientes, yo comprendo lo que es trabajar durante el tiempo de COVID. Por eso, yo ya me vacuné. Ahora te toca a ti. Hazlo por ti, por tu familia y por tu comunidad.
Without peace of mind, our physical health and our mental health are at risk. This past year has had a profound impact on mental health. Increased stress, isolation, anxiety, and depression. Reach out to someone that you care about who may need a little encouragement or support to get the vaccine that they need. I believe that the vaccines are going to definitely help our community by giving us back a greater sense of peace of mind. And it's going to be much better for our mental health. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tom Boylan. And let me just take this off. I was fortunate enough to have my second vaccine shot. I still wear this because I care about the people that are around me. If you care about your family, if you care about your friends, if you care about the people in your community, take the time. Register, go in, get vaccinated. If we're all vaccinated, we can move away from these. But until then, keep this handy because not everybody's vaccinated yet. But it'll sure be nice when it's done.
I'm very fortunate. I've got both my doses. I just had a very mild reaction to the second dose, but I feel great. Many countries in the world are struggling to even get a few doses of the vaccination. So all of us in the US, I am so grateful. We should all be thankful to have all these options. Hope that all of you take the vaccination when you get a chance. It is safe and it is the only way that we'll get a hold of the pandemic. So stay safe and good luck.
Hi everybody, my name is Chris, and I am so excited to tell you that I got my second COVID shot right there. I don't like needles, but I did it anyway because I love my family and I can't wait to hug my 7 grandchildren. Most of all, I can't wait to get back to see my girlfriends and go have lunches and go shopping and having so much fun. So don't be a coward. Go out there and get your shot so we can get together soon. All right, bye for now. I love you.
At Luther Burbank Center for the Arts, we connect our community through the transformative power of live performance. Let's all get our vaccines so we can gather again together and experience the life-changing power of the arts.
I just got my vaccine, my first dose. Staff was amazing. It made me feel safe, listened to all my concerns, and walked me through the process. So everyone, get vaccinated. Do it not just for yourself, but people who love you and people who want to have you around for many, many more years.
Our students need to come back to school, but obviously we want to bring them back in as safe an environment as possible. To make that environment possible, we need everyone to get vaccinated. For the sake of our students, for the sake of their school experience, for the sake of their academic achievement, for the sake of their mental health, please get vaccinated.
You haven't received your COVID vaccine? Don't worry, I want you to know that you can always contact your primary care provider to guide you to the nearest facility to get your vaccine. Remember that it's always important to protect your family and your community. That is why I got my COVID vaccine. So remember to stay safe, protected, and healthy.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Ahmad, President of the Windsor School Board. When I'm eligible, I'm getting vaccinated so that all of our students can return to the classroom. They've been in distance learning all year to keep us safe, so let's do it for them.
I don't have time to get sick, and I don't think anybody else has time to get sick. We should all get our COVID-19 vaccine. It is very important for everyone to get this. It is safe, effective, and has very minimal side effects. Go get your COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you, and have a good day.
I do work in healthcare, so this is a great opportunity to keep myself healthy, my clients healthy, and passing that on to my loved ones and working towards the herd immunity that is so important to us on a global level. And I just want to encourage everybody to get vaccinated. It's a really great relieving process, and we are super grateful down here at Siyan Clinic. Thank you.
For me, the best day so far this year was vaccine day at Aurora Hospital. It was wonderful because I got to give and to receive. I got to receive the amazing gift of the vaccination, and I got to give back to my community and my family and friends the knowledge that I was doing everything in my power to protect them. So I encourage you, read the science, get the information, don't give in to unfounded fears. And when you have that information, make the wise choice and get your vaccine. Thank you.
And I want to share with you a little bit about why I decided to get vaccinated against COVID-19. One, the COVID vaccines are safe and effective. Two, since we've been vaccinating our patients, we've seen a significant drop in the number of patients in our hospitals who have COVID-19. In addition, we've seen a significant drop in the number of mortalities of patients who've been hospitalized in both of our hospitals. And three, over the course of the pandemic, we've been beaten by COVID-19 in terms of what's happened in our communities. Our schools have closed, our economies have been impacted, and by getting vaccinated against COVID-19, I've not only decreased the likelihood of myself being hospitalized or dying from COVID-19, but I'm giving us an opportunity to have our schools and economies return. So when it's your turn, please get vaccinated against COVID-19.
As a mother of 2, ages 6 and 11, I want you to know that I understand the stress of having kids distance learning while working full-time. It's not easy, is it? But we're getting through it together. And like we're getting through that, we should all get vaccinated. I did. I was vaccinated. For my children, for my family, for you, my community.
Yesterday, I was able to hug my parents for the very first time since this pandemic started. It was really a special moment. I hope you will join me in getting your vaccine so that you can keep yourself, your neighbors, and your community safe and so that we can get back to normal. Thank you.
Y recuerde que es muy importante que proteja a su familia y a su comunidad. Por eso es que yo me vacuné contra el COVID-19, no solamente para proporcionar un servicio y un medio ambiente seguro para todos los pacientes aquí en Siyan Clinic, pero también para protegerme y mantenerme sanamente en estos tiempos difíciles. Siempre recuerden mantenerse protegidos y sanos en esta comunidad aquí en Siyan Clinic. Que tenga un bonito día.
I was super nervous because of my autoimmune disease and the potential of me having a severe allergic reaction. I don't feel anything, but again, it's my first dose. I feel a little sore in my arm, but nothing, anything and everything that I was worried about didn't come to pass.